Did you know that you can make money by just watching videos? You can do this while you're laying down, doing some chores, or whatever it is that you're doing. And just like that, you can earn up to $4 in less than 30 seconds. How great is that? In this video, I'll be showing you how you can earn $1,000 to $1,200 per day just by watching videos. So make sure not to skip any part of this method because thousands of people all over the world have already cashed out and you can be the next one. So basically, if you watch one video, you can earn up to $10. 10 videos would mean $100, and if you can watch 100 videos a day, you can easily earn up to $1,000. This is literally mind-boggling, and all you need is a smartphone or a computer and an internet connection. This strategy is 100% free and is available worldwide. In just a moment, I'll be showing you how to register for a free account, and I'll show you which video will pay you the biggest amount of money. Not just that, but I will also be showing you actual examples and proof on how to get started. Okay, the first thing you have to do is go to google.com or your address bar and type in www.cashadent.com or click the first link in the description below this video. As you can see, this is a brand new website that pays you to do simple things like watching videos, searching Google, listening to music, and more. This site is free and always will be and is available worldwide. They offer fast payouts and require no investment. You can start by clicking the Register for Free button right over here. This will take you to a simple page where you need to type in your email and password to register. Make sure to enter your real information as that will be required for future payouts. That will take you back to the home page. And as you can see here, you have unlocked the Members area. Click here to access the dashboard and start earning now. As you can see here, there are currently 6 offers available that will pay you $70 total on each completion. These can be completed an unlimited number of times, and you can earn up to $1,000 every single day. The best offers, in my opinion, are Audible free trial and watching a 1-hour course, as these can be repeated for an unlimited number of times on multiple devices at a time. Once you complete your first 2 offers, you will unlock the payout box, which looks like this. You can then click here and enter your email address. After 24 hours, you should receive a deposit to your PayPal, which looks like this. So far, the platform only supports PayPal accounts, so be sure to have your PayPal account ready. If you scroll all the way down, you'll notice your unique referral link, which can be shared with your friends and family and will earn you $2 for every person that you refer. That means that if you refer 100 people, you'll earn $200 for free. Now, I'll be teaching you how you can earn money by watching free videos using the Cashadent platform. This process can be repeated an unlimited number of times. Scroll down inside the members area until you find Watch a full 1-hour course. Click the Start Now button. You'll be taken to this Skillshare page. From here, you're supposed to click the Sign Up to Take This Class button. Create a free account on the second page by entering your first and last name, email address, and your password. Click the Continue button and solve the CAPTCHA if prompted. All that is left is to type in your card information and sign up for the free trial. Alternatively, you can sign up via PayPal. Don't worry, you can cancel your trial and this will not cost you anything. Once you do that, you'll be presented with this web player where you can watch the videos for absolutely free. Click on the first lecture and click the play button. Remember, you will only be credited if you watch all of the videos at 1x speed. You need to leave your device running for the length of the course before leaving the site. Once you complete this, you can go back to Cashadent members area and complete the second 1-hour course offer. This will be enough to unlock PayPal payouts on the platform. Don't forget to use your referral link to invite friends and family and earn extra money on the side. And that wraps up today's tutorial. If you learned something new today, be sure to hit the thumbs up button down below and comment any thoughts or questions that you might have. We love hearing from you guys. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you can be alerted every time we upload a brand new money-making method that you simply do not want to miss out on. See you in the next video.